Look down at the deep metal ridges beneath your shoes, and you likely assume they are there for grip. They are not. An escalator functions as a pair of massive chain loops pulling dozens of independent steps through an endless cycle. This movement relies on a hidden dual-track system. The upper wheels are driven forward by a heavy chain, while the lower wheels roll freely along a completely separate rail underneath. As the step climbs, the specific geometry between these two tracks keeps the platform perfectly level. When it reaches the landing, the lower track curves upward to meet the top track, mechanically forcing the platform to collapse flat. Every second you ride, the apparatus is constantly collapsing and rebuilding its own geometry in real time, operating under a veil of total simplicity. If these flattening platforms were perfectly smooth, a dangerous gap would open up between the moving stairs and the stationary floor panel. This geometric problem is why the grooves exist. The ridges on the step are engineered to interlock with a stationary row of teeth at the landing, known as the comb plate. By meshing the moving metal with these static teeth, the machine creates a tight seal. This minimizes the gap, sweeping away dirt, shoelaces, and clothing before they can be sucked into the internal gears. Rigid metal is required to maintain this mechanism. The weight of a crowded rush hour would warp a softer material like rubber, destroying the millimeter-precise alignment needed to mesh with the comb plate. Every visible inch of the platform is engineered to maintain a strict geometric barrier between the passengers and the machinery below. In 2019, an escalator carrying the American delegation at the United Nations suddenly jerked to a halt. While staff immediately suspected sabotage, the machinery was actually performing a standard self-defense protocol. Hidden beneath that toothed comb plate sits a microscopic sensor called the comb impact device. If trapped clothing pulls the teeth, the plate shifts backward and strikes the micro switch. This instantly severs power to the motor, deadlocking the gears to prevent injury. A startling, sudden stop indicates that these automated safety systems are performing exactly as engineered. Those delicate sensors at the landing protect against the mechanical violence localized within the dark metal truss below. The primary lifting force relies on the step chain, forged from high-strength steel to withstand up to 30 tons of tensile stress. Dragging solid metal chain links over drive gears produces a constant vibration known as polygonal action, beating against the internal components for the machine's entire 20-year lifespan. That vibrating metal loop is the only tether dragging thousands of pounds of human weight up a steep 30-degree incline. If decades of internal friction cause that primary drive chain to snap, or if the main motor brake fails, the tension is instantly gone. Without power or a brake holding the load, gravity takes over. The massive human cargo plunges into an uncontrolled backward freefall, a scenario engineers call unintended direction reversal. To survive this, escalators rely on a failsafe adapted from vertical elevators, the auxiliary brake. Mounted directly on the main drive shaft, this heavy caliper slams shut the moment it detects backward movement or excessive speed. Defeating gravity requires these redundant mechanisms to physically lock the drive system in place. But there is a regulatory loophole. Under European safety standards, this life-saving auxiliary brake is only strictly mandated if the escalator exceeds 6 meters in height. A fully loaded escalator at 5.9 meters might have no secondary backup. Safety experts are actively lobbying to close this gap, arguing that redundant stopping mechanisms must be mandatory across all heights. Even without it, the modern escalator relies on a network of monitors. It detects missing steps, monitors electrical phases, and calibrates the handrails to spin at the exact same velocity as the stairs to prevent riders from losing their balance. Instead of a passive staircase, passengers are riding a heavily armored, dynamically transforming factory line, designed to purposefully swallow itself so it never swallows you.